What's up, my friends? In this video, I want to do a quick unboxing of the all-new Hero 11 Black Creator Edition so you can see exactly what you get. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the GoPro Hero 11. I feel like they always come out with some really cool stuff. Comes with a nice case. Open it up for the very first time. See everything that comes with it. So what I am super excited about, all right. So that is the light that goes on top of the GoPro. Super cool. This looks like the, that's exciting. Comes with what's called the, I think it's called the Enduro battery. All I know is it's white. If it's blue, that means that it doesn't last as long. If it's white, it lasts long. So that's exciting. Here's the mod housing. So it's for creators. So you have a microphone on the front exposed outside the camera that's supposed to be better for audio. Is not the waterproof housing. It is water safety rated or something like that. So you can, obviously if it's raining, use it, but definitely don't go underwater with it. Here's the actual camera itself. Packaged nice under some paper. You got two screens. Oh no. All right. You got two screens, one on the back, which is touchscreen, one on the front, which I hear is not touchscreen, but it's okay. You can still get a nice little view of what's going on. The look of the GoPro compared to the old GoPros, very similar. Has a nice little, not rubber finish, but textured finish for sure. The little fingers for the mounts are built into the GoPro. If you're not caught up on all the new GoPro stuff, that's somewhat new. Power mode. This is apparently a waterproof microphone, so don't try to pry that off. Microphone in the front, microphone up top. This is how you open up the back. Oh no, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've done this. There we go. Well, all right, cool. Put your SD card inside there, USB-C charging port. And if I'm not mistaken, okay, there we go. If I'm not mistaken, this actually pops off as well. So you didn't break it, it just pops off. And then it locks up in there. Very nice, cool. So it's a GoPro itself. And then something I'm very excited about is this new Volta, I believe is what it's called. Oh man, there's all kinds of stuff going on in here. Is there anything else in there? Feels like there's something else in there, but I'm just gonna check it out later. Awesome, this is the Volta stick. So this is pretty cool. It is a tripod. It is a selfie stick. It has a little lanyard. You've got an extra little spot down here if you want to put it on an actual larger tripod. It is also a charging battery. So you plug this into your GoPro and it will charge. You can turn it on. You can control everything from right here for the most part. It also has this little pop out little attachment if you want to attach it. Up here's where you'll put your GoPro. And apparently it charges your GoPro all day. So I'm actually real excited about using that. And then inside here, you've got a nice little spot with, I'm guessing, a bunch of the manuals. And then down here, see what else we got? A couple attachments. Nice little Titan sticks, little charging cord. And then what do we got here? All right, that is the Creator mod. What is this thing even called? Wind protector? Snap it on over top of the microphone. It's like a little foamy, so it's gonna muffle out some of that wind or static sound. I do hear that the sound is not the best with this on, so I'm gonna experiment with that and see what's the best route to go. But it's cool that it has it. You can just pop it on and pop it off. All right, so we got that. Back over there. A couple little cords here. Looks like they're both the same. which makes sense because I'm assuming, haven't played with it yet, but one would be to charge the GoPro itself, and the other, I'm gonna say, is to charge, to charge the Volta, USB-C. Cool, so we got those two cables there, and then a few attachments up here, and then this one for like a helmet. It's got the curve, and then looks like it also comes with a few extras here. I'll play around with these and see what these go to. And then this right here, another little attachment. And let's go ahead and look in here. All right, subscribe to GoPro. Also subscribe to David Moss Jr.'s YouTube channel. Pro tips for best cold weather performance. I live in Florida, so I don't really have to worry about that too much until I go snowboarding with it. Nice little, it's like IKEA almost instructions, just pictures. Yeah, all that stuff that no one reads. Nice little sticker pack on the back of that. Cool beans to complete your setup. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up so that I can start using it and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Obviously, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Other than that, you guys all have a great day, and God bless you.